Hi, welcome to Cooking's channel. This is your friend Nico. During the live show, I will introduce this aluminum plaster everyday Wokpan. From his name, everyday Wokpan, we can know that this is a multifunction Wokpan. So in the following show, I will introduce these more details about that. Okay, then we see the inside first. As you can see, this is black and this is non-stick coating. If the non-stick coating is not popular in your market, you can change to the marble coating, ceramic coating, or granite coating. The coating brands we have like Wokpan from LFGB, and also we have stick authorized if you need. Okay, let me show you the outside. As you can see, this is also black. This is heat-resistant lacquer. The color can be changed as you like, just of the panel number or cut sample. Okay, there we see the button. Well, this is the induction button. Induction button, that means we can use this Wokpan in all kinds of stovetops, like gas, electric, induction, and so on. Okay, then we see here. As you can see, there's 2 years. This material is bakelite, and there is 2 mouths. This design is very convenient for us to peel soup. This pan name is called the Everyday Wokpan. From his name, we can know that it's high frequency of using. When we have it can be regarded as a fry pan, casserole, wok, bakeware, pot, and so on. It has a lot of many functions waiting for you to discover. Okay, friends, this product you can sell to the high-end market. You can thicken the bottom thickness, use the premium non-stick coating, and change this handle to the stainless handle. You can also sell this product for promotion. You just reduce the thickness of the bottom, use the bakelite handle. All these options is up to you. If you want to customize your logo, you can emboss logo on the bottom, laser logo on the body. It's up to you. Okay, finally, I want to share some advantages to cooperate with cooking. You know, we always regard our customer as our partner. We develop new cookware together and lead a hot selling sheet in the market. So, if you have some innovation in your mind, our technicians will realize it in draft. There is a big team in our R&D department to support us. And all the cookware from CookerKing can pass food-grade tests like DGCCRF, LFGB, and FDA. We know all the test standards because of our nearly 40 years experience in this industry. Maybe someone thinks the NOQ is a little high. The normal OQ for OEM is at least 1,000 pieces per item. Yes, I know it's hard to start a business if you are new in this industry. But now, you have another option to get a small NOQ. You could be our agency. We have agency abroad, and their business is quite good now. So we think you can try it. Okay, friends, if you want to know more information about cooking, you can visit our website or contact with us directly. We are always waiting for you. See you next time. Bye.